Go ahead. Turn right. Right. Go this way. Yeah. Yes. Gotta watch him. Keep going. Watch where you going. You see the sign? You almost ran over it. Huh? Go around that thing and come back. Yep. Good job. I'm about to drop your drink. Alright. Let's go that way.
Over there?
Yep. Hey, no, hey, don't say that. I mean, you got about 5 more minutes. That's it's like a motorcycle. It's like a motorcycle car. Huh? Want me to sit on it?
Yeah, let me see if you can fit.
I probably can fit. Oh, let's see. Move your feet over some. Okay, go.
Where we going?
Wherever you go.
That's right.
Oh, he's driving. Go ahead on, Connor.
Running you today.
You driving, Pawpaw, man.
Look at that. That's where my
Watch where you going.
That's where my daddy and me been over there.
Yeah, turn right.
This way?
That's left.
Oh, this way. I want to see if it smells. Oh, that's the smell. That was so. Oh.
You kind of know what you're doing. Turn left. Not too close to people now.
Sorry.
Keep going, keep going.
You so great, Ryan. So you waiting.
Or you go to tip.
What's kind of tip?
Oh, you ain't got much time. Come on, let's go put it up.
Huh?
It's time to put it up. Go on this side.
Oh,
No, keep going. Look at you in the mirror. Look at right there. I'm gonna stop the video right here.